Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Chef Boyarewe shirt is probably one of the most iconic and comfortable pieces of apparel for any fan of the beloved animated character, offering a unique blend of nostalgia and casual style that's perfect for everyday wear or making a statement at your next gathering. This shirt isn't just clothing, it's a conversation starter, a wearable piece of pop culture history that resonates with a generation, making it an essential addition to any enthusiast's wardrobe. Number 5. Chef Boyardee Beefaroni Pasta 7.5-ounce bowl. Enjoy the classic taste of beefaroni, a hearty pasta dish that's perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Ready in minutes, this microwavable bowl makes mealtime a breeze. Just heat and enjoy. Loved by kids and adults alike, it's the perfect comfort food for any occasion. Stock up with this convenient 12-bowl pack, ensuring you always have a delicious meal on hand. Experience the familiar, comforting flavors that have made it a family favorite for generations. Designed for your convenience, it heats up perfectly in the microwave for a hot meal anytime. What we like. Craving a fast and delicious meal? This offers ultimate convenience with its microwavable bowl. If you need a quick, satisfying option for busy weeknights or a simple lunch, this is your go-to. What people say. The beefaroni is a good way to get a child to eat something besides junk food. These cups are easy to heat on the microwave, taking about 1 minute to make, and they taste delicious. Great portion size. Even for a late-night snack. It really warmed my stomach and filled me up. Number 4. Chef Code Men's Basic Cook Shirt. Experience ultimate comfort and lasting durability with our Basic Cook Shirt. Designed for the demands of the kitchen, it's perfect for everyday wear. Elevate your professional look with this essential kitchen uniform. It provides a clean and polished appearance for any culinary environment. Specifically crafted for chefs, this shirt offers the functionality and ease of movement you need. It's a reliable choice for busy kitchens. Spend less time on laundry and more time cooking. This garment is made from easy care fabric, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Make this your go-to uniform for all your culinary adventures. It combines practicality with a classic design for timeless appeal. What we like. Want to look the part in the kitchen? This provides a clean, professional appearance with a comfortable fit for long shifts. If you're a chef or aspiring cook who values both style and practicality, this uniform is an excellent choice. What people say. The medium is perfect. It's not tight and is long enough for my height. This Chef Code Men's Kitchen Basic Cook Shirt is true to size, ease of care, looks and feels great for chef in hot kitchen. Washes up great, take right out of dryer and no wrinkles. They are breathable and easily removable. Long enough to cover your tush and tie your apron around if you want to tuck your shirt in type. They do tend to run a bit large, but we kept them because it's just for work. They are durable. I have washed repeatedly already and used bleach and they have held up. Not a super thin material. Number 3. I Cook and I Know Things Funny Cooking T-shirt. Are you a culinary master with a sense of humor? This t-shirt is perfect for anyone who loves to cook and isn't afraid to show it. Show off your passion for the kitchen with this unique and funny design. It's a great conversation starter for any cooking enthusiast. Looking for a gift that will make them laugh? This t-shirt is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Made for comfort and style, this tee lets you express your love for cooking with a witty slogan. You'll feel great wearing it anywhere. Embrace your love for food and your sharp mind. This apparel is designed for those who truly understand the art of cooking. What we like. Love to cook and have a great sense of humor. This tee is a fun way to express your passion for the culinary arts. If you're looking for a unique gift for a foodie friend or want a casual shirt that sparks joy, this is perfect. What people say. The heathered colors are a perfect blend that won't shrink. So the XL I got for my son was true to size even after a few washes and dryer cycles. Also, decent quality fabric. Not too thin, not heavy. The larger size range was excellent and true to size. The material felt a bit thinner than I expected, but it was that very soft feeling cotton. It kept its size after washing. Number 2. Utility Work Shirt. Introducing our Utility Work Shirt, designed for your toughest jobs. It offers both durability and functionality to keep you comfortable throughout the day. Featuring a classic button front closure for easy wear and a secure fit. This design ensures you can adjust it for optimal comfort and ventilation. Stay cool even when the work heats up. The integrated vent side panels promote airflow, preventing overheating during strenuous activities. This shirt is crafted to meet the demands of the modern worker. Its thoughtful design provides the freedom of movement you need. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and performance. It's the ideal choice for anyone who needs reliable workwear that doesn't compromise on ease. What we like. Need a reliable work shirt that keeps you cool. Its breathable fabric and side vents ensure comfort during demanding tasks. If you work in a physically active environment and need a durable shirt that allows for easy movement, this is a solid option. What people say. The material is light and thin, perfect for all day in a hot kitchen. Loving the vented sides, in fact it spoiled me so much that I'm not sure I can go back to wearing anything other than shirts with side vents in a kitchen. They fit well, they are well made and look very classy on. Number 1. Chef Code Men's Lightweight Utility Workwear. Introducing our new lightweight utility workwear, designed for comfort and durability. Perfect for any task, it keeps you moving freely. Featuring a convenient snap front closure, this garment allows for quick and easy on and off. It's designed for your busy workday. Crafted with the modern worker in mind, this piece offers a blend of style and functionality. Stay comfortable and look great throughout your shift. Experience ultimate comfort with its lightweight construction. You'll appreciate the freedom of movement it provides, no matter the job. This is the essential piece you'll reach for every day. It's built to withstand your toughest jobs while keeping you comfortable. What we like. Seeking a modern and practical work shirt. This features a lightweight feel and convenient snap closures for quick on and off. If you appreciate a contemporary style combined with functional features for everyday wear, this utility shirt is a great pick. What people say. They are good fitting and lightweight in a hot kitchen. The shirt was exactly what I was looking for, cheap, good quality, lightweight and true to size for me. Customers complain about no pockets, but if you look in the pictures, there's no pockets. Use your pants for pens then and hang the thermometer close by. Very light. Very soft. Great for them hot summer sun. Especially if you work in a plus 40 degrees Celsius kitchen in the summertime. Better than the white jackets. Black doesn't show the grease stains or those stains that never comes out. So if you are a chef or dishwasher or food prepper, it's great to have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.